Welcome back to the new lesson. In this lesson, similar to how we configured ICE blocks to use symbolic links and connect the symbolic links to the actual IOs, we will in this lesson do the same thing for the NxtMini, where we will be deploying the model. Okay, again we can do copy and paste and put it here. Let's move this a little. There we go. Similarly, we do this connection, do this connection. We need only 3 values, which are these ones. Let's make that connection again. Okay, and we're going to rename them. This is called lift extend in. This one is called lift retract in, and this one is called push extend in. Okay, and we will call this one as model input, and let's copy and paste this here. Let me reduce the size a little so that it can fit in there, and rearrange this a little, and we can select all like that, move it a bit like this, extend so that we have 6 values because we have 6 outputs. Okay, interface editor, and then again same thing, we have to select the data type for all the values of the variables. Okay, we're going to save that, and this one is called lift retracted out, lift extended out, pusher retracted out, pusher extended out, luggage arrived out, luggage lifted out, and make the input sequence and the confirmation sequence, and then connect these values. Okay, and map them to the NxtMini device. Okay, now let's extend this. And also rename this to model output. Save it. We have to remember the order. It's lift retracted extended, then pusher retracted extended, then luggage arrived and lifted. Go back to the NxtMini device, rearrange this a little, and I seem to be double clicking paste every time I do that, so that's why this is happening. You can ignore that. Okay, and same thing, reconnect this to here. Okay, that is looking good. Let's go to hardware configuration, and this time when we say add, we will add the DCS Mini with 8 inputs and 8 outputs. Okay, let's map inputs. Extend, retract, pusher, extend. Let's confirm. First save this. Extend, retract, pusher, extend. That's how the order should be, and that's how the order will be mapped here. Lift extend, lift, retract, pusher, extend. Similarly, we had seen that for the output, the order is lift is retracted first, extend, then pusher, and then lift arrived and lift. So looks like the order that is available here is the order that we need. This is not always the case. The order that you see here is based on the order in which you added the symbolic names. Because we added them in order, this is by default coming in that order. Okay. And those 6 IOs are now mapped as well. Okay. We shall stop here in this lesson. In the next lesson, we will run this and see if it works. See you in the next lesson.